What up, guys? You're watching InfinitDTV. I'm Infinitdee. How you doing? All right. So, for the first half of the season over, I cannot tell you how excited I am to jump into the next half. These past few months have been really tough for me. So I guess you could say it's a good thing that I took a break. Definitely needed the time for myself. Went through a few things that I kind of want to share with you guys. Maybe you can relate, maybe not. Either way, I just want to get it out there. So first and foremost, if you guys follow me on social media, I've been putting up a lot of posts, just try to be a little bit more inspirational, turn the negativity around. You know, hopefully I can help somebody else who's in a tough spot. Me and my girlfriend broke up. I had some substance abuse issues, and I lost a few friends, had some trouble at work, a lot of things that just kind of all hit me at once, similar to what happened at the end of last year. But this time was a little bit worse. I definitely fell into a pretty dark place, and I was alone through it all, but I look at it as a positive thing because I was able to kind of reset my mind and pick myself back up on my own, realize that I don't need to rely on anybody, that if it does happen or something along those lines similar happens, I'm very capable of repeating that process. So I decided to make some serious life changes. I'm currently 60 days sober. The friends that decided to walk out of my life currently are still not within the circle. I decided to reach out to some of my older friends that I haven't spoken to in a really long time and rekindled those relationships. And I'm glad I did it. You know, I definitely feel like they helped me through the worst of times. They always have. Everyone has those friends that, you know, you're really close during a certain time period, and then, you know, you guys both take different paths and you don't really talk as much anymore. But the ones who don't give you issues when you return back and who remain there, those are the ones that you want to keep around. Me and the girlfriend are back together again, and we're happier than ever, believe it or not. This little break that we took was definitely something we needed to do. More so for me, I definitely needed to make some changes. As far as work, I don't really want to jump too much into that because what I say could bite me in the ass. But things are definitely looking up there. And aside from all that, I'm just kind of taking things day by day right now, pushing all that shit aside because, you know, I don't want to talk too much about that. I kind of really just want to jump into things, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm good, I'm okay, I'm better than ever, and I'm excited for what's coming up. So without further ado, we're going to jump into our first episode. I had my boy Macho come by, and we revived a go-kart that I haven't driven since I was about 12 years old. Take a look. Bringing Mad Dog back to life. Gotta get the flag up in there. Oh yeah. Yerf dog. Oh. Quality products, son. Assembled in the USA. That's right. The girl's gonna get home. She's gonna be like, "You guys smell like metal." Oh yeah. See a beauty. Out of all those, we don't have one?
Nope.
Do you, I got an adjustable. You want that?
Yeah.
All right. Compromise. Yeah, man, because before this shit was right here. Now we got it all the way up. Fuck you, governor. Bro, it's spinning like butter. 6 rotations. Dude, use the socket now. Fuck the adjustable. It's the biggest one. This one in the screw. No. That one. Oh wait, no, it's this one. That's this one, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
How much do you need? Oh, yum, yum. How does that taste, sweet?
Yum, yum.
Alright.
Hold on, let me get more on the WD-40.
That sounds better. Let's see, it's gotta be here.
Alright.
And then
That switch is supposed to be up or down?
Oh, that's the kill switch. That's on off. Fuck, it's so rusted. I don't even know. That's a good question. Down is off, right? Kill switch?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Yo! Yo! What? 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 12 years it's been since we started that motherfucker. What? Yo! Yo! Get out of here! Damn, bro.
Oh, I'm gonna get that shit up, man.
Damn, bro. We did it. Oh, hell yeah. Let's take that bitch for a spin. Go down the street with it. Yerf. Woo! Oh yeah, there's no reverse. I forgot about that shit. I'll push you out. Yeah! It sounds like it's running harsh as fuck. What do you think?
Remember, we gotta let that air out.
Oh yeah.
When we turned it on,
Yeah.
all that nasty shit was coming out through the muffler.
I know, I could see it. As soon as you gassed it down the driveway, Yo, I still can't believe this shit. So about a week ago, I went to go and visit my boy Derek over in North Carolina. It was about a 13-hour drive. I'm pretty sure I fucked up my back pretty bad. So right now I'm headed down to a walk-in clinic. It feels like someone took an aluminum bat and beat me senseless with it. So yeah, fingers crossed, we're gonna see what's going on.
You want to be seen?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Alright, have a seat. We'll be with you shortly.
Sure, thank you very much. No issues. Just pulled a muscle. So they're giving me some anti-inflammatories with some muscle relaxers. Hopefully that'll cure everything and I can get back to normal again. So this is where we currently are right now with Yerf Dog. We gotta come up with a name because Yerf dog ain't working right now for me. We threw a light bar. This thing is beyond bright. It's like heaven. We got the kill switch installed. Boom. And then we're either gonna fog these or tint these. So in case, you know, we have some trouble with the law enforcement, we can cut off heaven and put on hell. Some light dimmers. So we can still have a vision of where we're going. As far as the back here, I probably should put a daily dose of some WD before we get it running again. We got ourselves a wonderful lawnmower battery, power the lights, and we gotta drill this board in, fasten it, and that's pretty much gonna be a wrap for it. The only other thing we're gonna add to it is a black light, but I'm not gonna go into detail about that.
Where are they? Going to Alright. Yeah. Where we at? Alright, now we gotta turn around for sure. Woo! It ain't even stopping either. Whoa! That way. Hell yeah. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna get up. You wanna take it? Oh, we should see if it's a trail.
Oh, shit. Woo!
Oh, no! Damn, got ants everywhere. That was from the grass. That's the shit we felt hitting us? That was from the grass, bro. Those are ants. Oh, we definitely need. All right. Yeah. So with you on the lawn, you probably hit 25.
That's pretty much gonna do it for us, guys. I hope you enjoyed the show. Episode 11 is now complete. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Like the video, share the video, talk about it with your friends. Stay positive, and until then, I'll catch you guys next week.